you noticed probably that you didn't see was the body cam of the officer as he's firing the fatal shots to the passenger of the vehicle and also shooting the driver who survived. And that's because the body cam was not activated until after the shooting. So that officer's actually been fired already. Posted the video today on social media. Incredible reaction. We begin with our 13th juror. Comment of the day coming from Denise tonight. Denise writes, I don't understand why any of this nonsense is still going on after the George Floyd case. One would think all officers would want their cameras running at all times to protect themselves. Joseph Lowe, let me ask you, who do the body cams protect, the officers or the public?
They protect everybody, and that's the whole point. Look, it's a tough job. We get that. Yes, they make mistakes. Okay, nice. However, they've been trained and they've been given procedures, and now they've been given a device that they can use to ensure that they do the right thing when the pressure's on. Notice one thing in the video. Did you hear him the first time say in an exasperated voice, "You just ran me over"? Now, how the heck was he able to say that if she actually ran him over? She didn't. He was exaggerating because he's hyped up. You know what happened. And this is the problem, is that they get involved in this, they let their emotions run wild, and they do things they ought not to do. And why does it keep happening? To answer this lady's question, it's due to the institutionalization of the police by the police departments. Why are they given a piece of equipment that they can turn off? When is the police department and those responsible for making the decisions and the training and buying the equipment going to start doing the right thing? They fired the wrong guy. Police chief ought to go too.
Nino tonight writes, he violated more than one protocol. He didn't have his body camera on, and he didn't identify the individual or properly execute the arrest. He was rightfully terminated. Renee Hill, are you surprised in the speed with which they moved here in firing the second officer who fired the weapon?
No, I'm not surprised. You know, everyone is complaining that the police are not being prosecuted. The police are getting away with a lot of things, and they really are. And the problem is that the police, you know, have to they have to be found accountable for their actions. And so this police department is stepping up. You know, they saw wrongdoing and they fired him, as he should. There's still more accountability that needs to be held here for his actions, not just losing his job. There are other things that need to